Hello children, welcome to your maths class. So let's start today's topic. I am making one diagram. Everyone look at your board. There are 4 persons, okay, and each one having three balls, okay. So how to find out how many numbers of balls are there? 4 persons, each one having three balls. How to find out the number? Let's discuss. So what idea you are thinking how to find out? You will add or minus, or what to do? If we will add, then how we will add? 4 persons, each one having 3 balls. So if we will add 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. If we will add 4 times 3, then how much you are getting? 3, 3, 6, 3, 9, 3, 12. Okay. So total number of ball we are getting 12. So I have taken small example by 4 persons. If in place of 4 person, if 1000 people are there or 10,000 people are there, then how we will count how many numbers of ball each one having, or total number of balls? Each one having 3 balls. If the persons are 10,000, then how we will add? We will add this 3 10,000 times. Yes or no? We can add, but it's a lengthy process. So instead of that, we can do in a shortcut method. Okay, that we are going to discuss how to find out number of balls if we are calculating 10,000 people. So today is our topic, that is one of the operation of your large number. It's a 4 basic elementary operation. Out of that we are going to discuss one topic, that is your multiplication. So if we will multiply means what? It's just repeated addition. Remember this. Multiply means it's repeated addition. If we'll add 10,000 times 3, then how much time it will take to find out the answer? It will take a long time. So instead of that, if we'll multiply the 10,000 multiplied by 3, then easily we can find out the answer. Within no second we will get the answer. So this is, instead of repeated addition, we can follow this elementary operation. So let's start today's our topic, that is your multiplication. So in multiplication, here also we are using some words or some terms. One is multiplicand, one is multiplier, and third one is your product. These 3 terms we are going to discuss, because in these 3 terms we are using in our this operation, that is your multiplication. Then what is multiplicand, and what is multiplier, and what is product? So we are taking, suppose we are taking 10. So this one we have taken, we need a number to multiply. Yes or no? So another number is required, that is your 4. This symbol represent multiplication, cross symbol or X symbol. Okay. So this is one number and this is one number. The number you are going to multiply, that is called your multiplicand, and by which you will multiply, that is your multiplier. Suppose 35 into 4. This number we have taken to multiply. Yes. So this is your multiplicand, and by which you are multiplying? We are multiplying 35 by 4. Yes. So by the number you are multiplying, that is called multiplier. Okay. And after multiplication, whatever answer you will get, that is called your product part. Okay. So let's discuss how to multiply. So this is 2-digit number and this is a single digit. So this is ones place, tens place, and we have taken 1 digit, means it's only obviously ones place. Okay. So here also we are going to start from right side or from ones place. So how to multiply? First you will multiply this multiplier to multiplicand in ones place. 4 5s are how much? 20. I think you know the tables. So 4 5s are 20. We are going to write here 20? No, we will not write 20 here, because in addition we have already discussed, it will carry forward to tens place. So 20 means ones digit 0 will keep here and 2 will be carry forward to next tens place. So now come to tens place. This one again you will multiply with your tens digit. So 4 3s are how much? 12. 12, and this carry forward you will add. 4 3s are 12 plus 2, we are getting 14. So the answer after multiplying, we got 140, and this is called your product. Okay. So though if we will discuss the definition, the number which you will multiply, that is called multiplicand, by which you will multiply, that is called your multiplier, and after multiplication whatever answer will come, that is called your product part. Okay. So let's take one example of multiplication. Suppose 2 8 3 multiply by 25. Okay. This number we have taken to multiply, and by 25 you will multiply. So this is your multiplicand and this is your multiplier. Okay. Start our multiplication. So 2 methods we can apply. This multiplication we can do in 2 methods. So first method, you will start from ones place. 5 3s are 15. Keep here 5 and 1 will be carry forward to this tens place. Again this number you will multiply with tens place. 5 8s are 40 plus carry 1. It's coming 41. Again this 4 will be carried to 100 place. Then this number again you will multiply with 100 digit. So to 5 into 2 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. Over. That means this number you have multiplied by ones digit. Your multiplication part is over. Then another digit is there 2. This is in your which place? Tens place. So you will start multiplication with this number by our multiplicand. So you will start from ones place. Again 2 3s are 6. So where to write 6? You will write here? No, you will not write here because this is tens place. So you will start writing leaving one place in below the tens digit. So 2 3s are 6, you will write below 10th place. Then 2 8s are 16, 6, again 1 carry forward to here. 2 2s are 4 plus 1, it's 5. Okay. So now first this multiplicand you will multiply with this digit, it's over. Then this multiplicand you will multiply by this tens digit, this part is over. Now you will add both the values. Clear? Start from ones place, below 5 nothing is there, so 5 will come down. Then 6 plus 1 is your 7, 6 plus 4 10, again you will carry forward 1 to here, 5 plus 1 6 plus 1 7. So the product you got, that is 7075. It's called your product. Clear? So this is one method. We got the answer 7075. Then another method, how to find out? Remember this, we are writing the product 7075 here, we got this, and we are going to discuss another method, how to do. Okay, this 25. So this is multiplicand, this is multiplier. Our multiplier is 25. If we will expand this, 25 means 20 plus 5. Okay. So first what you will do, 283 multiply by 5. You multiply and write the answer. 5 3s are 15. Again 1 carry. 5 8s are 40 plus carry 1 41. 4 carry. 5 2s are 10 plus 4 40. We got this answer. Okay. Then second step, this is your first step. Second step what you will do, 283 multiply by 20. Clear? You will multiply by 20. So how to multiply? First 20, 0 will be here. Simply you multiply by 2 and add this 0. 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16, 1 carry, 2 2s are 4, 1 5. Then add both the value. Clear? In this step, see carefully, in this process we are not leaving ones place. Okay. Then this one is coming down, 5, 6 1 7, 6 4 10, 1 carry, 5 1 6 1 7. How much we got? 7075. In that process also we got 7075. That means our product is same, but different methods we are following. Clear? I will show one short example. After that, in next class we will discuss our properties of multiplication. 27 multiply by 48. So this is multiplicand, and this is multiplier. We will start from ones place. 8 7s are 56, 6 and 5 carry. 8 2s are 16 plus 5, how much? 21. Over. This part is over. Then you will multiply this by 4, leaving ones place. 4 7s are 28, 8. Then 2 carry forward will be here. 4 2s are 8 plus 2, 10. Okay. Now add both the values. 6 will come down, 8 1 9, 2 plus 0 2, 1, 1296, and this is called your product. So remember, these three terms we are using. The number you are taking for multiplication, that is multiplicand, by which the number you are multiplying, that is called your multiplier, and after that answer we are getting, that is called your product.